Jimmy loves his trucks, so he's always shopping for the latest gear online. And when Jimmy starts shopping, he goes big. Heavy-duty toolboxes, suspension, racks, truck bed covers, step bars, bumpers, you name it. The only problem is that big online orders can be a big-time hassle. In the old days, Jimmy would place an order, and before long, a massive crate would get dropped in his driveway. His family and neighbors hated looking at it, and Jimmy hated loading these big and bulky parts to drive them to the local shop for installation. That's why Jimmy ditched the crates forever when he discovered PartsVia.com. PartsVia is the quick and easy way to order all your favorite truck, car, SUV accessories, and towing gear. With access to the largest stock of parts available, chances are they have it ready to ship. Support your local shop and let them do the heavy lifting and installation with the fastest delivery to over 2,000 dealer-installer locations across the USA. Shop PartsVia.com for everything you need for your ride and redefine the way you shop locally.